I can't hear anything besides the fucking music. Dude. Blackpink in your area? Dude, why?
Oh, there we go. Jesus Christ.
Help me, please.
Oh, God.
Help me, please. Help me.
How do I make you bigger?
I don't know.
Oh, I can like turn your camera off in case you like show your meat or something.
I'm not going to show my meat this stream.
Oh, not this stream.
Yeah, not this stream.
Hold on, let me try some effects.
Wait. Ooh, I'm looking sexy and free. Oh my god. I'm so pretty.
Oh, you're beautiful. What about me?
Yeah, you look pretty too. Pretty damn ugly. Mm.
Hey, thanks for the hat. At least someone cares about me in this world. Wait, let me... What is this one?
Oh,
Hey,
2023.
Happy New Year, man. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
I want to be famous.
Well, I hope you do become famous. I want to be fed. I want to be cradled.
I mean, I also want 2 whales, like $50 million.
That's how much 2 whales is?
Yep.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Speak to me, baby.
Vladimir Putin has his finger on the nuclear button.
Mm-hmm.
And he says, Hoover, I won't press it if you kiss a man. Do you kiss the man?
Where the nuke's going?
It's a huge nuke. It's gonna hit specifically Kentucky.
How long do I have to kiss him for?
You got to slip in a little bit of tongue.
Tongue?
Yeah.
Like, how long is the kiss?
Let's say like 5 to 10 seconds would be like the safe zone.
The safe zone.
Yeah.
So 5 and I'm out and it's fine. He's like, all right, I won't press the button.
He'll be like, maybe I won't press the button.
So what if I go for like 10 seconds? He's like,
10, he's gonna be like, oh, impressive. I might not press it.
like, I guess I would. I don't know.
Oh, wow. Aren't you brave?
We could be heroes.
30 seconds, you would just let the drop and you would let everybody die. If it was like 30 seconds, you'd let everybody die.
Yes. No, I'd kiss him on the lips, but it would be kind of awkward because then would everyone know?
Oh, so that's what you care more about. You don't care about the safety of families, children, women. You care about if people would kiss and tell.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, yeah, people would know, and they would probably, and here's a news flash for you. People would probably see you as a hero, okay? People are not going to be like, oh, that's gross, that's embarrassing. They're going to say, he kissed a man for us to live. And
no, they're going to say he kissed a man, period, end the sentence, and then I'm going to get made fun of by you.
I would never make fun of you.
You make fun of people that kiss men on the mouth all the time.
No, I don't. I don't. Not at all. I have
Or
a
it's New Year's
men
resolution.
myself.
It's like your New Year's resolution. You're not doing it anymore.
I'm taking a gap year.
Okay.
Anyways, should I play some more music?
What fucking music were you actually even playing? Like, was that built into the TikTok app? I've never heard that before in my life.
It is. Yeah. Listen to this. Do you hear that?
I wish I couldn't.
Wait, I wish I could play music that isn't. What is this? Wow. Things got really romantic in here all of a sudden.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. You know, winter's almost over, and
Yeah.
I've really enjoyed spending time with you.
What was your favorite moment so far?
All the laughs we had together.
Mine was there's too many to count.
Well, you gotta name one.
I don't know. It's just like there's so many of them to go over.
Well, they got one.
Let me think.
Including a special someone.
Let me think.
That can't be that hard to think. Wait, how do I do
probably.
the? Oh,
Oh. Oh my God.
so you're gonna?
Wait, hold on. I thought. Did you not hear me? Did I cut out for you?
Maybe.
I said my answer. I'm not going to repeat it though.
Repeat it. I didn't hear it. Hello? There's like something wrong with
That was like one of the best moments of my life, honestly.
No, like there's something not right. I don't think that came through.
Are you kidding me? Did you not fucking hear it?
It didn't come through.
I said that.
No, there's something going terribly wrong.
And I was like, what the fuck?
Hey guys, am I the only one that can't hear him?
No, people in chat are saying they heard me.
Interesting. Why can't I hear? Well, we can hear him fine. Well, can you guys tell me what he said then, at least?
Oh, I told him not to say it. I said not to clip that. Did you not hear me say that? I said not to clip this.
You know, you're a real cunt.
Excuse me? What the fuck just happened in your room? What what filter do you have on where like the outline of your head is now blue? You look like one of those AI drawings.
I'm beautiful. Don't get banned now. I'd never get banned. Wait, if I turn this on. Oh, never mind. Oh.
What are you trying to do?
Nothing. I wasn't trying to do anything.
Were you trying to turn on voice effects?
How many hours did Jim Carrey's The Grinch makeup take to complete? 5 hours.
5 hours.
What inspired the color of the Grinch?
A Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
Traditionally, what do you do under the mistletoe? Kiss.
Kiss. Well, dude, why'd you go so hard?
I want it to work. What item was showcased in the John Lewis Christmas ad this year?
Oh,
How many
Lord.
lights does Rockefeller tree have? What is the largest Christmas gift ever given? How old is Kevin McAllister?
Dude, what happened to my head? What happened to me? What happened? I like squeezed. They pinched my head. They pinched me like a grape.
You're looking beautiful.
I'm like elongated. I'm like Elon Musk.
Hey, elongated. I honestly.
Dude, it's exploding on your damn head.
Oh my! Get out of my head! Get out of my head! Get out of my head!
Oh my Lord.
I don't like how it cuts off my ears. It really makes me look like an egg.
What does it make it like your fucking head explode? How does it keep doing that?
I'm like, oh my God. Hoover,
Welcome, everybody.
Hoover.
Hello.
How's it
Come
going?
play with us. Come play with us.
Oh, I'll come play with you boys.
Nuh-uh, not you.
Why not?
I don't want that.
That's okay.
Okay, I turned my filters off.
Looks like you still got something on, broski.
Why is your like face getting tracked now? Yeah.
Oh God.
Filters off.
God, you're beautiful. Never let the haters take that smile off your face, because I know they try their best.
What? You know they try I don't have any haters, man. What are you talking about? Only
Don't
love over here.
let the horrible comments get to you, because there's a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let the fire go out.
Hey guys, get off your feet and let's dance.
Hey, hold on, I can change the music. Hold on.
Let's dance, everybody.
Let's do party.
Now everybody follow me. Okay, it's a real party up in here.
Hey,
Shake what your mama gave you.
I'm gonna get wasted.
We're playing that chowder music.
Bro, this is a function, man.
Pulling up the Schnitzel's function.
Right on. Hold on. Electronic. Tonight in
I
the
knew my rent was gonna be late about a week ago. I worked my ass off, but I still can't pay it though. Get off your feet.
Check it
Feel
out.
the beat.
I get off my feet.
I'm like a Swedish DJ. Get off your feet. Feel the beat. Oh. Oh, yeah. Dude, you stood up and started dancing, and somebody said, do YouTube again.
Bro, I don't know if he's high or another manic episode. I've never had a manic episode. What are you talking about?
Feel the rhythm.
Oh, good. Oh, ooh, what is this?
Okay.
about that?
Yep.
What'd you
Okay.
think about
That's good.
Why you don't have a smile on your face?
Because my face hurt. Oh,
It's getting louder. Why is it getting louder? That's enough of the
no,
music.
bless you.
We gotta get serious. Hello?
Hello?
Where are you? I can't see you. Oh, thanks for the hat.
Hold on. Oh my god, I dropped my phone in the water. Oh my fucking god.
You're under the water.
Oh my, how do I get my phone out?
You
It's like I
gotta
can
go.
almost reach it.
You gotta reach in and grab it.
Ow, something bit me in the water.
You gotta reach in and grab it, man.
I can't reach. Something's in the water. I'll just pick it up and grab it.
Wait, what is this?